Chad Hiltz, a 42-year-old custom car builder from Canning, Nova Scotia, transformed automotive scrap into international recognition with his radical creation known as the Green Goblin. Operating from his retro-styled shop, Hiltz built his reputation on unconventional automotive artistry. The Green Goblin began as a discarded 1962 Chrysler Newport four-door sedan, given to Hiltz as junk in July. The car arrived stripped of its drivetrain, interior, and suspension components, with rust consuming much of the remaining structure. Inspiration struck from an unexpected source, a 1974 Oldsmobile Cutlass two-door roof sitting in his collection. The transformation involved radical surgery. Hiltz cut off both roofs, welded the Newport's doors permanently shut, and repositioned the Cutlass's colonnade roof over the Newport's former engine bay. He removed the Newport's cowl, rear bulkhead, floor, and trunk sections. The original frame was abandoned for a custom structure built from 2-inch by 4-inch box steel, connected to a partial frame housing a Cadillac Eldorado V8 and front-wheel drive system positioned at the rear. The vehicle's cab-forward design draws comparisons to the legendary Diora, the 1967 Riddler Award winner. However, Hiltz claims his inspiration came from personal creativity rather than existing customs, driven by his desire to push boundaries and gain recognition for Green Goblin customs. The chassis features airbag suspension with rack and pinion steering, Volvo control arms, and drum brakes. The vehicle stands 4.5 feet tall, dropping an additional 6 inches when the airbags are deflated. The front door was constructed from square tubing, hinged at the roof's leading edge for a Seta-style entry. The interior reflects Hiltz's Hot Wheels inspiration, featuring simple steel paneling and a sliding seat for easier access. The final paint scheme showcased pearlescent green with metalflake silver interior and engine bay, complemented by metalflake red scallops and lighter green highlights on roof pillars and zoomie openings. The Green Goblin's debut at the Boston World of Wheels show brought immediate success, earning 3 awards, including the Master Builders Award and first place for Radical Custom. The vehicle's impact extended beyond American borders, attracting a German television crew to document Hiltz's journey. This recognition followed 4 awards at a Moncton Speed Sports show, establishing Hiltz's reputation in the custom car community. Despite its radical appearance, the Green Goblin maintains full road registration, demonstrating Hiltz's commitment to creating functional art rather than mere showpieces. The vehicle spans more than 5 meters in length and represents the pinnacle of Hiltz's unconventional approach to automotive customization, establishing Chad Hiltz as a significant figure in contemporary custom car culture.